Hi, this is Ashinsha. Now I'm going to do static routing. To do static routing, I'm connecting three routers with switch and PC on either of its sides. For PC1, configure PC1, I have to go to desktop and IP configuration. I have to give the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. And IP address, I'm giving the address as 172.16.3.10. And this belongs to the class B, so I'm giving to 55.55.00. And default gateway, I'm giving as 172.16.3.1. In the following ways, I have to configure PC2. I'm going to desktop and giving IP configuration, and I'm configuring the PC. I'm giving IP address as 172.16.1.10 and subnet mask is 255.255.00 and default gateway as 172.16.1.1. And PC3 also follows the same step. I'm giving IP address as 192.168.2.10, but this belongs to the class C, so I'm giving this subnet mask as 255.255.255.0 and default gateway is 192.168.2.1. Now all my three PCs are configured. Now I have to configure my router. So I'm giving to configure my router, I have to first see on fast Ethernet. I have to give the IP address of my fast Ethernet 0 and serial connection to was 0. Here I am giving the IP address of my fast Ethernet 0 is 172.16.3.1 and serial to was 0 as 172.16.2.1. and this is my router 0. And for router 1, configure router 1, I have to first give the fast Ethernet. I have to give the IP address of fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and serial 2 by 0 and serial 3 by 0. Now I am giving the IP address of fast Ethernet 0 by 0 as 172.16.1.1 and for serial I am giving the address as IP address as 172.16.2.2 and serial 3 I am giving the IP address as 192.168.1.2. Now my router 1 has been configured, and for router 2 I am giving the configuration address as to configure the router 2 I have to give the fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and serial 2, and I am giving the IP address for fast Ethernet 0 by 0 as 192.168.2.1 and serial 2 by 0 as 192.168.1.1. As my router 2 has been configured, and as it belongs to static, I have to give IP route, and I have to give this address 172.16.2.0 as this is the network. This is the network address of this portion, and this is the network address of this portion. This is the network portion of this portion. And for making the router to a static, I am giving IP route 192.168.1.0, and to make the router 1 a static, I am giving the address as IP route 172.16.1.0. To ping this, I have to give the destination address following by the command ping, and to give this if I have to ping I have to pass the packet from PC1 to PC2, I have to give the address as 170 ping space 172.16.1.0. Now I am going to show my result. I am going to ping and show. My result has been successful, and again I am passing my packet. This also successful.